In MrBeast new video thumbnail you see these shirt torn effect, and in this video you will learn how to make these same torn effect in Photoshop. So now let's get started. Firstly, take a lasso selection tool and select the area where you want to add torn effect. Then take a solid color adjustment layer. Then select the mask and go to Filter and then Filter Gallery. And here go to Brush Strokes and select Spatter. Here you can see this looks distorted. And now you can play with their setting. Here you can see the selection looks like torn effect. You can also remove unnecessary parts from selection by taking black color brush. Again, take a lasso tool and make a selection of a skin area. Then press Ctrl J to extract skin area. Put the skin area on the solid color adjustment layer. And clip the skin area on solid color layer, then double-click on skin layer and add inner shadow. Then adjust the settings as you can. Then take an exposure layer. Decrease the exposure. And invert the mask by Ctrl I. With low flow and soft brush paint on lower part of torn effect. Then decrease the size of brush and change flow to 100%. And paint on upper side of exposure layer. And yeah, you did it, finally you make a torn effect. And thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe for MrBeast.